Self-practice 5.1, question 2. Determine whether each of the following sequence is an arithmetic progression and give your justification. Right. So if it's an arithmetic progression, the difference here will be same. So let's find the difference. 13 minus 9. 13 minus 9 is 4. Next, we find the difference between these two. Not these two. These two. 17 minus 13. Also 4. Then we find this difference. 21 minus 17. Also 4. So we can say A is an arithmetic progression. Done. So this one is an arithmetic progression. Right. Okay, let's try B. The difference will be 1 over 4 minus 1 over 2. 1 over 4 minus 1 over 2. Over, 1 over 4 minus 1 over 2 is negative 1 over 4. Okay. Then 1 over 6 minus 1 over 4. One over 6 minus 1 over 4, negative 1 over 12. So here the difference is not same. So this is not an arithmetic progression. Done. So we don't have to continue finding the rest lah. Since here itself the difference is not the same between the first D and the second D not same. So we can already say this is not a progression. Okay, let's try C. 0.01 minus 0.01 minus 0.1. We get negative 0.09. And then 0.001 minus 0.01. We get negative 0.009. So this is also not an arithmetic progression because here is 0.09, 0.009. So we can say not an arithmetic progression. Okay. Last one, D. So this is the first term, this is the second term. So our D will be 5 minus x. Let's put them in bracket. So we expand the bracket, we get 5 minus 5 plus x. 5 minus 5 is 0, 0 plus x is x. Okay. And the next one will be 5 plus x minus 5. Minus 5 is 0, we get x as well. So this, since the D is the same, this will be an arithmetic progression. So A and D are both arithmetic progressions, B and C are not. That's it.